Yo, what's going on, everybody? It's your boy Jaeger, and today we're here on another video. Today's video kind of sucks, but it could get better. So, I just got back from picking up my buddy's 2018 Honda GROM. And unfortunately, I'm trying to figure out some wiring problems. The reason we're having wiring problems is because this bike got stolen, and he was lucky enough to recover it. They did take his E-Ride Pro SS in the process, so they tried to take two bikes and was only successful with one, mainly because they couldn't turn this bike on. Overall, the bike is good. We did just have some wiring that was damaged and ripped up, so they tried to hot wire the bike to get away with it. Overall, it's a nice little SF GROM. Everything is nice on that. Was running great a week ago until it got, attempted to get stolen this past week. And so my buddy doesn't really have experience working on bikes. I have a little bit more than him. So we're going to try to figure out what the heck's going on and what can we do to fix these issues. And I'll walk you through as much as I can. But at least he got the GROM back. So we will figure out one way or the other, even if we have to buy a new wiring harness, whatever. At least he has a GROM. So, yeah, let's check out the damage. Yo, and this is a perfect timing. Yeah, like, it can't get any more perfect than this. So I had LED Factory help me out this video, and they sent me something really cool that I'm about to open up for you. You know how I'm always carrying stuff in the back of the Gladiator. I got all my bikes. Got buddies' bikes when I'm trying to help them out. They sent me out a bed cover. Well, it's not really a bed cover. I'd say it's like a lining for the bed itself. Because as you can see, like, damages happen when you're carrying bikes up and down. It's going to get all scratched up. Yo, and I'm super hyped about this. Like, it's going to protect my bed. It's a really nice rugged material. It feels really good. You do have to, when you install it, probably should leave it out in the sun for a bit. I'm going to slap it on the bed of the truck already, just so the truck sits outside, so it'll get some sunlight and flatten out. But it's a great material. It's definitely going to protect my bed. It's thick, gives it like a little rubbery material, and it's going to protect my bed, so I'm super hype about that. Pretty good material so far. Let's see how it looks on the truck, and I'm going to show you how to slap it on there. It's honestly very straightforward. You just kind of got to roll it onto your bed. I think some areas may need some trimming. But we'll see after we slap it on there. Look at that rainbow. So pretty. All right, guys, and this is the finished product. So it comes all rolled up and stuff, so until the sun really hits on it, sits in it, it doesn't flatten out. But after it does, dude, it is so perfect. So perfect. Toss the bike on here. You can even see some tire marks from the bike I had on there. I love it. I think it's a great product. It's thick. It's going to protect my bed. It looks good. And, yeah, I can't thank LED Factory enough for this product, for supporting the channel and giving me some good products to do reviews for you guys. Definitely check them out. This is money. All right, so see if this was already off because I think he pulled it off to see where the wires were cut. Should be somewhere in here. Let's check that out. All right, here we go. All the ignition wiring was all chopped up. You can see here. It's pretty bad. Cut it like crap. One, and then two, they pulled out the fuses, added like a 15 amp fuse to one of them, or to this one. That's supposed to be a 10 amp. But these guys almost got away with it because they had these wires here with the fuses rolled like this, right? Which technically gives you power without needing that fuse. So if I roll these up right here, give you an idea, right? So they're rolled up, they're touching, right? And these cables right here, the bike is off, right? So with this wiring, if you just touch these cables together, I'm not sure which one's which. Yeah, look. I just got these two cables together. The bike turns on. Which is nuts to me. But yeah, just this. Like the key. Oh, let me pull the key out so you don't think I'm using the key, but look at that. Like the wire touch, it turns on. But he got lucky that even when you turn the little crank thingy here, whatever this is called, I can't think of the name right now, the fuel pump didn't turn on. And so the bike does not turn on. And that's what we're trying to figure out. So I got a few things. I got some new fuses. Got some heat shrink to just fix some of that wiring. And then I got some oil. Just because you never know if they got pissed and stuck a handful of dirt inside the engine. But for now, we're going to start by cleaning this stuff up just a little bit. I'm going to try to reconnect the wires back on. And see where we can go with this. Because I honestly don't know anything about wiring. I know a few things about GROMs. But we're just going to start connecting things, making it look pretty, and hope to God that we can get it turned on. So let's try that. All right, guys, I am by far the furthest thing possible from an electrician or anybody that does wiring work. But all I really did was just connect the wires. I heat shrink them. Just made it look better than it was, you know. Make sure they were connected. They're tight on there. They don't look bad. And then I heat shrinked I taped up the wires to the fuses and then taped this end together. Just so it's not exposed. It's not beautiful work. You guys can bash me in the comments. Like, I have no idea what I'm doing when it comes to electrical work. But, please, God. Yeah, it turns on. So it's on. But I still don't hear the fuel pump going off. So that's what we got to tackle next. I really don't know where to begin or where to go from. But, yeah, let's see what we can do to figure that shit out. All right, guys. After Googling forum, YouTube, asking people what could be the issue that the fuel pump wasn't priming, nothing helped. So I just looked deeper into it. And what I found out is when they try to steal the bike, they had cut the black and white cable, which is now, where's it at? This one, right? They cut the black and white cable up here. And then they cut it down here. And they spliced those together, which would cause the bike to, when you turn key, even without key, it was turning on, right? But I didn't notice this little cable was cut right there. And the other end of this black and white cable was still connected to this down here, which was the middle one. You can see where I cut it out. I'll pull that up and clean it up later. So I connected that black and white cable to the other two that were already together here. So I made a three-way splice. I soldered it, and then I heat shrinked over it. And I got it there. And now, you turn it on, you turn this on. I don't know if you're gonna be able to hear it, but it's priming, which means it's on. Which is great. Makes me very happy that I could help him out. But yeah, so now he's probably gonna come over tomorrow or so. We're gonna detail the bike, see some new parts that I recommend him getting for it. Getting off all this old plastic dip that was peeling already. We peeled it all off because it was like this nasty blue. I took everything apart because I couldn't figure out where it was coming from. I traced it, did everything I could. Changed the spark plugs, and now she's good as new. Yo. Hell yeah, I'm so happy I could help him. All right, guys, and this is the finished product. Look how good this GROM looks. I got all the wiring done. Came out perfect. Found out the issue that I was having, that I couldn't get power to the fuel pump. Now it's turned on perfect, especially with the key. Not having any issues with it at all. You turn key, press down. Oh, it's in gear. Boom. Starts right up. Looks great. And besides that, besides fixing the issues he had, wanted to do something nice for him, you know, get it running perfect, setting everything up. So what we did was, first of all, what's going to make the biggest difference, I had a YSS suspension laying around, and we slapped that on there for him. And it's cool because the details with the red and stuff and the white just makes it look absolutely beautiful. So that's one plus. Second thing we did, we installed a new ignition coil. The other one was, they're just kind of crappy. So we did the, I think it was the Costco or Kitco ignition coil, slapped that on there. And we also added a new clutch cable all the way down, a freshy OEM clutch cable. And we added the Pro Taper clutch on there. And I'm really impressed by this freaking clutch. It is so good. The quality is amazing. It looks good. It matches the bar, so has a little cover right there. If you can see the click on that, look at that. It's money. It's adjustable too, so it adjusts by clicks. So that's freaking awesome. It's great. Like, it feels so good, especially with the new cable. It's just money. And there's that. So I'm extremely happy that we're able to save this for him, because such an unfortunate situation. You know, there's such crappy people in this world, and the fact that I was able to help my friend get his bike running again makes me happy. So yeah, there's that. I hope you enjoyed today's video. It wasn't nothing crazy, but I did want to put it out there because GROMs do get stolen often, and I also learned basically how to hot wire a GROM. And sometimes they cut all this wires, you don't know what to do. A lot of people order a brand new wiring harness, and you don't even need to do all that if you know what to look for. So I hope this helps you guys out with any issues if it ever gets stolen, or any of your cables break or anything like that, on how to fix it. So hope you enjoyed today's video. Stay tuned. We got a whole bunch more stuff coming, some exciting stuff. So thanks for watching, and I'll catch you boys on the next video. Peace. Damn, look at that thing. Peace.